Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to activate your JCPenny credit card. So, make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, and also give us a like and subscribe real quick. And now, let's begin. You can activate your card offline, using your phone, by calling the toll-free number given at the back. To activate it online, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. Now in the search bar, type in Activate JCPenny Credit Card and press Enter. From the search results, click on the JCPenny MasterCard link that says Activate your new card. This will take you into the activation link. Now just type in your card number and the security code. Then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, click on the Activate My Card button. And that is it. Your card will be activated. And there you have it. That is how you can activate your JCPenny credit card. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like the video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring the notification bell, to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again, in the next video.